Your problem is not laziness. Your brain has been hijacked. Look at yourself not tomorrow, not next month, right now. You are not tired, you are not unlucky. You are not broken. You are mentally enslaved. Your phone, endless scrolling, cheap pleasure, fast dopamine. They didn't steal your future with violence. They stole it with comfort. And the most dangerous part, you don't even feel the chains anymore. You wake up tired, not because your body is weak, but because your mind is overstimulated. Your focus is gone, your discipline is gone, your hunger to win is gone. And every night you tell yourself, just one last time. One more video. One more scroll, one more release, and the next day you break again. That's not a habit problem. That's a hijacked brain. When a man loses control of his mind, he doesn't just lose habits, and he loses identity. And a man without identity is easy to control. You start doubting yourself. You stop trusting your word. You stop respecting your own promises. And when you can't trust yourself, how can the world trust you? Slowly, silently, you begin to disappear. Let me tell you something no one tells you. Your future is not destroyed by big mistakes. It is destroyed by small repeated comforts. 5 minutes of scrolling, 10 minutes of fantasy, 1 hour of distraction, day after day, week after week, year after year. And one day you wake up and realize the life you wanted belongs to someone else. If you do not take control now, 5 years from today you will be in the same room with the same phone with the same excuses, watching other men build the life you were meant to have. Your dreams will not die loudly, they will die silently. This is not self-improvement. This is self-rescue, because the war is not outside you. The war is inside you, and the enemy knows your weaknesses. It attacks you when you are bored, when you are tired, when you are alone. It whispers, just relax, you deserve this. Tomorrow you'll be disciplined, but tomorrow never comes. So how do you take control back? First, dopamine discipline. Your brain is addicted to stimulation, notifications, reels, videos. Pleasure on demand for the next 7 days, no mindless scrolling. No entertainment overdose, no cheap dopamine, only work, only books, only silence. Boredom is not punishment. Boredom is healing. Your nervous system must learn again that effort is normal and pleasure is earned. This is not a detox. This is a declaration of war against the weakest version of yourself. Second, on visual control. What you see is what you become. If your screen is full of temptation, you are programming yourself to fail. Unfollow. Delete that block. Clean your digital environment like your life depends on it. Because it does. Your brain is a hard drive. Garbage in, garbage out. For 1 week, feed it only strength, knowledge, and growth, and watch your urges lose their power. Third, physical domination. Unused energy turns into destruction. A tired body does not crave poison. Train hard, run, lift, sweat in the morning, in the evening. Exhaust your body until your mind becomes quiet. Discipline is built in sweat, not comfort. A lazy body lusts, a trained body rests. Fourth, urge replacement. Do not fight urges, redirect them. An urge is a wave. It rises and it falls, but only if you don't feed it. The moment it hits, cold water on your face. Push-ups, a walk, a phone call, change your state. If you wait 10-15 minutes, the urge will pass. Energy is not your enemy. It is your power. Channel it. Fifth, anti-boredom system. Most failures do not happen from strong desire. They happen from empty time. An idle mind is a battlefield with no soldiers. Prepare your schedule, books, skills, work, side hustles. When boredom arrives, your next move must already be ready. A busy mind builds, an idle mind destroys. Now listen to me carefully. Stop saying, I'm trying. Say this instead. I do not negotiate with weakness. Because the moment you negotiate, you surrender. This is the difference between boys and men, between slaves and leaders, between regret and respect. No one is coming to save you. No app, no video, no motivation, only you. So decide. Either suffer the pain of discipline now, or suffer the pain of regret forever. And if today is the day you take control, if today is the day you become dangerous, if today is the day you stop being weak, then remember this. The man who controls his mind controls his destiny. Comment, I take control. Your new life starts now.